What's up? My name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning ASL slang. And you might be wondering, what is ASL slang? What does that mean? Literally, in English you have slang like what's up, or just words from your region. And ASL has it since it's a language, community, and culture all into one. So, the first slang word is V. So V-E-E, V, V. It's got a side view, V. And then the second one is you kind of curl your nostril up. And it kind of seems like I already know. ASL is really big with facial expressions and moving your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, kind of everything